Hey my FK gang, welcome back to Fergie's Kitchen. First I want to thank all my new subscribers. Welcome. And in Fergie's Kitchen we do a lot of different dishes. Some are healthy, some are not. Some is mine and some is not. Alright? And I do feed the mind, the body, and the soul in Fergie's Kitchen. So welcome to you all and thank you so much for tuning in today. You know, today's one of those days, it's hot outside, so I just want to have something like not too heavy, but something healthy. So it's more of a fast food, but healthy. So here is my ingredients for today that I'm working with. I'm gonna be making some yucca fries, but I'm doing it air fried yucca fries. And this is my yucca root, and I'm gonna be making a turmeric, creamy turmeric paste to go with it. Creamy turmeric mustard paste. So here is the ingredients. I'm using my vegan mayo, so it's a vegan dish with turmeric, garlic powder. This is mustard, chili powder, coriander, cinnamon. This is cumin, and this is ginger. And this is going to be for my turmeric creamy mustard paste, and with some fenugreek in it. And over here, I'm going to be making a grape slushy. So these are frozen grapes that I washed and froze last night, and I'm going to be making it with some coconut water. Oh, for the yucca, here's my coconut oil and my Himalayan salt. And I'm also going to make some fries, some crispy apples, like apple fries, with some sugar and some sea salt, and this is my confectionate sugar. So this is my ingredients for today, guys. Stay tuned in, and I'll see you when I get the ball rolling. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Fergie's Kitchen. So we need 2.5 pounds of yucca. Let's see how much we have here. How much is it? How much is it? So guys, here are my yucca, all nice and clean. I'm gonna put 1.5 cups of water in my pressure cooker. And put your steamer in it. Dump your yucca in. You don't want the water to be sitting in it. So even if you're doing on the stove top, you need to use your strainer in it. And I'm going to put this on the stove top for 9 minutes. So guys, while my yucca is in the pressure, I'm going to, by the way, it should be on high. Your pressure cooker should be on high. Remember, it's 9 minutes. So now I'm gonna make my creamy turmeric sauce. And I'm gonna add some mustard to it. I didn't put any, show you any mustard. So guys, here is my yucca. It's pre-cooked. Because the yuccas are so hard, it's better to do it this way. So I set my air fryer at, I preset it at 380, and I'm gonna coat my yucca with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. And about 2 teaspoons of salt. And tossed it. And then I'm gonna put it in the air fryer for 12 to 15 minutes. All right. So guys, now I'm gonna start my apples. So guys, now I'm gonna start my apple chip. Here, 1 teaspoon of coconut sugar. You should use 1 teaspoon of salt. It's gonna be too salty for me, so I'm not using 1 teaspoon. Just a dash of salt. That's enough for me. And half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Slice and core your apple. So guys, now I'm gonna put my apples in for my apple chips for 8 minutes on 400. Okay guys, now I'm gonna make my grape slush. I'm gonna need 4 cups of frozen grapes. And 3 cups of coconut water. So my FK gang, welcome to the end of another segment. I'm here to present my yucca fries. My yucca French fries. You don't have to feel guilty when you're eating it. Just remember all the health benefits of yucca. Yucca treats high cholesterol and arthritis. It's good for heart disease by reducing that oxidative stress, the imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants that place on the cardiovascular system. And there are my apple, my little apple chips, and here is my grape slush, guys, with my creamy turmeric sauce to have with your chips. No guilt here, all right? So I want you to enjoy, and I'll eat for you until you can make it for yourself. Anyway, as you know, I feel the heart, the mind, and the soul, and the body. I feed it all. So today's scripture will be coming from Isaiah 58, verse 9. Then you shall call, and the Lord will answer. You shall cry, and he will say, here I am. And from Fergie's Kitchen to you guys today, if you see the mirror, you see the best creation of God. So believe in yourself. Thank you guys for tuning in today. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Fergie's Kitchen. And I want you to enjoy this little light summer yummy dish with no guilt, and know that Fergie loves you. Thank you guys for watching today. I love you guys. Bye-bye.